Alright guys, 2004 Nissan Maxima. If your AC does not work, alright, if you're pushing the AC button, the AC does not work, you could check a lot of things. You know, you could check relays, fuses, if the system has a freon in the system by checking through these ports. But do not forget to check your fuse on this car, right? Because what happened on this car was the AC compressor was not coming on and the fuse was bad on this. That's what I discovered. So I'm going to show you step by step. As you can see, I have the covers removed, I have my plier, the needle nose, the clip removing tool, and I have my test light right there, right? I replaced the fuse on this car and that kicked in everything and it works amazing, all right? The AC works beautiful, right? So do check your fuses because it's very important. You know, if you check everything else and you don't check the fuse, what's the point of checking the whole job, right? So simple job, should take you no more than 5 minutes. So let's get to it. I'm gonna put all this bit back together. I'll show you from scratch what I did. If you have a Nissan Maxima 2004 5, 6, 7, same thing. All right guys, so let me put all this back together and we'll come back and do it together. All right guys, I'm ready to show you guys what exactly I did on this car. First of all, if we take our camera and if we look right there, right here, right in here, let me get my light also. All right, the light is gonna reflect everything, but right next to this, let me grab my light somehow in some way. See this blue cap right next to it, the second fuse you see listed there, it says air con, air condition. All right, so that's the fuse for air condition. All right, so simply what I did here was I took off this cover. This cover probably got a couple of clips. You could use a tool such as this or a flathead. Just remove the clips. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips on this thing, and then you can just take this cover and put it to the side just like that. All right, next guys, let's just come a little closer, You're gonna take this little cover, grab it. You don't have to press anything. All right, just lift it up really hard. These little clips, they will come off on their own. All right, after that, there's like a little tab right here on the side of it. All right, and there's one on the opposite side. You can pull those outwards, both of them, and gently lift up this fuse box. All right, once you have it lifted out, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna do a fuse test here. All right, ignore my little cable on this tester here. I'm gonna put it grounded. What I'm doing here is I grounded it. So all you need to do is, it's the second fuse here. It's a 10 amp right next to the yellow looking fuse right there. So all you do is, you see that? My test light came on. It should be on both sides of this fuse, all right? Let's say one side comes on and you touch the other side, nothing comes on, you have a bad fuse, all right? Just replace this fuse and see what happens, all right? It could be a bad fuse. So it's really simple. I had somebody come in, but no problem. Very simple. All you do is grab a needle nose right in there, pull out that fuse, all right? And then to put in the fuse, you gotta push it by hand. It doesn't matter which direction you're gonna pull, right? The fuses are the same. And this is what this fuse look like. It's not one of those little mini fuse. All right, so let me not drop it. Just try to get both of the legs in there. I'm just having difficulty because the camera and the light is in my face and I don't want to block either. There you go guys, it's in. Again, take a test light, test the fuse, and it's really simple guys. It should light up both sides. Alright, I'm not getting the angle no more because the fuse box went down a little bit, but there it is guys. Alright, that's it guys. And to put this back together, All you need to do is align the slots on this little cover here and this box. Oops, where's my camera? So all you need to do is align the slots, push this in, and align this box. This shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes. You don't even have to test the fuse. If you have another fuse, just throw it in there, because you don't want to go buy a test light and spend like 50, 60 bucks. And then you put on this cover, and simple, and it's done. And then test the AC if it comes on or not. All right, thank you guys, subscribe, and bye bye. I'll see you on the next one.